Hi children, welcome to Early Bird Class 8 Science Class Chapter 2 Part 9 Text-based questions and answers. First main, fill in the blanks. A. Microorganisms can be seen with the help of a dash. Answer, microscope. B. Blue-green algae fix dash directly from air and enhance fertility of soil. Answer, nitrogen. C. Alcohol is produced with the help of dash. Answer, yeast. D. Cholera is caused by dash. Answer, bacteria. Second main, tick the correct answer. First, yeast is used for the production of answer, alcohol. Options are given in your textbook. You can just refer that. B. The following is an antibiotic. Answer, streptomycin. C. Carrier of malaria causing protozoan is answer, female Anopheles mosquito. D. The most common carrier of communicable disease is answer, housefly. E. The bread or idli dough rises because of answer, growth of yeast cells. F. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called answer, fermentation. Third main, match the organisms in column A with their action in column B. In your textbook, question is given. I have written the answers only. Bacteria, that is causing cholera. Rhizobium, fixing nitrogen. Lactobacillus, setting of curd. Yeast, baking of bread. A protozoan, causing malaria. A virus, causing AIDS. Fourth main, answer the following. First question, can microorganisms be seen with the naked eye? If not, how can they be seen? Answer, microorganisms cannot be seen with the naked eye because they are very small in size. Some microbes like fungus growing on bread can be viewed with magnifying glass. Some others can be viewed only with microscope. Viruses, though different from other microorganisms, are considered microbes. Since they are small, they are called microbes. Second question, what are the major groups of microorganisms? Answer, bacteria, fungi, protozoa and some algae. Third question, name the organisms which can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Answer, the Rhizobium bacteria, which is present in the roots of leguminous plants, are in symbiotic relationship with the plant, are capable to fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Fourth question, write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganisms in our lives. Answer, first one, Lactobacillus bacterium converts milk to curd. Second, it involved in the making of cheese. 3. Bacteria and yeast are helpful for fermentation of rice idlis and dosha batter. 4. Yeast is used in baking industry for making breads, pastries and cakes. 5. Yeast is used for large-scale production of alcohol, wine, acetic acid, etc. 6. A number of antibiotics are produced from bacteria and fungi. 7. Microbes used for fermentation. 8. Some microbes are used for the production of vaccine. 9. Some microbes like Rhizobium are able to fix atmospheric nitrogen and increases the soil fertility. 10. Microbes help in cleaning the environment by decomposing the organic waste and converting to manure. Fifth question, write a short paragraph on harmful effects of microorganisms. Answer, some of the microorganisms cause disease in human beings, plants and animals. Such disease-causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Some microbes spoil food, clothing and leather. They spread diseases through air, water and food called communicable diseases. Cholera, common cold, chickenpox and tuberculosis are some of them. Some insects and animals act as carriers. Housefly can cause foodborne diseases. Female Anopheles mosquito carries the parasite of malaria. Female Aedes mosquito acts as carrier of dengue fever. Anthrax is dangerous to human and cattle, while foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by a virus. It causes diseases like citrus canker, rust of wheat, etc. in plants. 6. What are antibiotics? What precautions must be taken while taking antibiotics? Answer. Antibiotics are medicines which kill or stop the growth of disease causing microbes. These are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms and are used to cure a variety of diseases. It is important to remember that antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of a qualified doctor. One should complete the course prescribed by the doctor. Wrong dosages may make the drug less effective when you might need it in future. Unnecessary intake of antibiotic may kill the useful bacteria in our body.